So now I should add like open model thread group. I should configure like
Yes, click on the rate. If you can click on the rate, yep. Now you get to see, you get to achieve 1 hit per minute. And if you click on random arrivals, yes, that's going to be the duration of your test. So now you can keep on increasing the load in the rate per minute. So if you see there is a rate per 1 per minute, right? Can you just click on that
yeah,
rate 1 per minute? Yeah. Where
yeah,
you can, if you click on 10, then automatically the numbers will increase. So, okay, yeah.
okay,
So can you see? So now
yes,
you, and again, the test is going to be like for 10 minutes. So 10 multiplied by 60, like 60 in the sense like 60 minute, 60 into 10 is going to be like 600. So that's what you're going to achieve. So what you can do is let me try to let me try how does it work. So change that random arrivals to 1 minute. Can you just change that to 1 minute? Yeah, just remove that 10 and just change it to one. No, no. You have removed the bracket. So you have to follow that same bracket thing here. No, no.
okay,
What I'll do is let's do one thing. Delete completely the random arrivals.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
And then click on the random arrivals now and change it to just one. Yeah. So you get to know how much does it run for like 1 minute. Yeah. So now if you see, you can run this for 1 minute. And what you can do is, can you just run this one? And
now,
before that,
uh,
yeah,
can you can
no
can
problem.
I stop sharing
Yeah, yeah,
myself
please,
and
please go ahead. Yeah, yeah,
submit
no
further?
problem, no worries. Yeah, yeah,
Can we
and
continue?
yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll continue with other
Yeah,
participants. No problem. Thank you.
yeah, thank you.
Yeah, and
Just
Nilsa,
like
where you can you share your screen, please, and you can show us.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Sharing now.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
wasn't let me attend call with my father. My father
No
is
problem.
calling.
You
Yeah,
can,
let me
carry on,
call.
Krishna. No worries.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
carry on.
thank
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, are
Yeah,
you
Nilsa,
able to see my
yeah,
screen
yeah.
now?
It's loading. Yeah, yeah. We can see it now. Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. So I already put in the open model thread group
Okay, okay,
and I copied the
mhm,
script.
okay.
And then for this one, so we have to put the number of
Yes, the rates per minute.
hits, right, per
Yes,
minute.
that's the number of
So
hits. Yep.
let's say 10 hits
Hmm.
per
Hmm.
minute.
Yeah, yeah.
And then the random arrival.
Hmm.
Can I just use this one or
Yeah, you can use this, no problem.
and then it should push
I think
for
you're pasting inside. Okay, can you just remove it again? Remove everything, because the rate and everything should come. It should not go inside the other one. So can you click on the rate now? So the rate is the duration that you're going to run the test. So now if you see, it's going to run it like for 1 minute. And then can you click on the random arrivals now? The random arrivals, yeah. And can you change this to like for 1 minute? Yep, just 1 minute. Yeah. And now what we'll do is let's go to the your aggregate, add as aggregate graph, aggregate listener one at the end. So do you have one already? Okay, I just named it there. So now can you just save this and run it, and you will understand very clearly like what is happening with this part. Yep, and start running it. Yeah, and now can you go to the okay? Let's wait. So here, if you see in the aggregate report, you get to see the numbers. Yeah, can you click on the active threads over time? Yep. Okay, it's loading. Okay, I think they are not in the proper. Okay, it's there. Okay, it's coming. Fine. So now, if you see, we got the active number of threads at this moment. So there is like one at this point of time because based on the number of threads. Okay, can you click on the open model thread group? The yeah. So here, if you see, we have got rate as 1 per minute, right? So that is the reason
Mhm.
you are seeing just one user per minute. So this user will run like for 1 minute, and there is another thing we can actually increase or decrease it. Can you just click on that minute and change it to second in the rate 1 per minute, right? Can you see? No, 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 no. Let it run. No, no worries. You can change it here. What I'm trying to say is, yeah, change that minute to just change it to second is easy. Delete minute.
Okay.
Yeah. So now if you see, automatically the rate has increased. So which means previously we had introduced 1 per minute, right? So now I'm introducing 1 per second. So now can you go back to the graph at the bottom? So the active threads group at the bottom. So now if
I
you see,
sorry.
yeah, we got one, right? So now can you start the test again? Yep. Start it again. Yeah. See, now automatically the number of hits will increase because initially you expected 1 per minute, right?
Mhm.
And now here we have increased it to 1 second. So 1 per second, which means if you want to achieve it, which means, okay, you are running the test for like 1 minute. So if you want to achieve
Mhm.
1 hits per second, which means in 1 minute you're going to achieve 60 hits, right? So that's the
Yes.
expectation. So if you go to your aggregate report, can you go to your aggregate report? Yep. So here if you see, it's not just about one transaction, it is about your one complete script. So all your steps, all your scripts in your particular thread group should achieve 60 hits per minute. So that is the expectation and that is what it is going towards. So if you see,
Oh.
previously when you are running 1 per minute, which means just one for each of this transaction is enough. But now here if you see, you wanted to achieve 60 hits per minute. So that is the reason you can see it has almost, okay, it has almost reached 60, right? So the first step, if you see, the first one is like
Mhm.
60 and the other step thing is like it's about to end, but before that the test has ended, so we are not able to achieve it. But still, if you see the very first transaction, the very first step, it has achieved 60. It's all because can you go to your open thread group, the top one, open model? Yep. If you see here, you are trying to run the test for 1 minute, which is like 60 seconds, and the rate is 1 per second, which is 60 rate, 60 per second, right? 60 per minute. So that is your expectation here. So we can actually set up in minutes and also we can set up in the seconds. So now you understood, right? So how does it work?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, yeah. So you can actually, whenever you get time, you can actually try it with different combinations of rate and everything. You can just try that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. So now we can choose another third group and you can, yeah, you go to test plan. Yeah, go to test plan. You can try another one.
This one I already have the
Oh, the
arrivals
arrivals.
already.
Oh, okay. Okay, great. Yeah.
Okay. So, so uh, this one I can put in seconds also, right?
Yeah, yeah. You
So
can give
I will.
number of the, yeah, arrivals. Yeah, please go ahead.
So let's say just
Mhm,
one
mhm.
per second.
Okay.
Um, 2 second. Then hold for 60 seconds.
Mhm. No, the target rate you have set up like for 1 second, right? Okay, fine. Let's run this and see how does it work. Yeah, please go ahead. Yep. You started it.
Yes, start.
Okay, okay.